Hello guys, welcome to Rashmi Sharma classes and today's topic is solid state electrode, right? Guys, in last video we were discussing about ion selective electrode which has four types of electrode in which we have discussed one type of electrode, right? So this is another type of electrode which is a part of ion selective electrode. So firstly we will introduce it, then we will discuss type of this electrode. So this instrument, you can say introduction of this instrument is that solid state membrane may be homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture of active substances syrup of PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. I hope all of you know about it. A solid state membrane electrode can be single crystal, a plate mode, or a springly soluble salt in an inert rubber. For example, inert rubber is made up of, you can say, silver sulfide, silver iodide, etc. Right? This is diagram of solid state electrode, which is most important about this electrode. So because without diagram it's not possible to explain everything about the electrode, right? So in this electrode there is a metallic cap over here. That this is internal reference electrode, right? And this is internal reference solution which is fill up in half of this container, and this is a solid state electrode which is at the bottom of this container, and here is a lead all over the cap, right? So this is your diagram of solid state electrode, and this, you can say this is a glass tubal form, right? Now since the single state crystal and plates membrane are homogeneous, thus, electrode containing them are referred as homogeneous membrane, and the membrane consists of springly soluble salt is heterogeneous membrane. Solid state electrode are selectively primary to anions. These are classified in three categories. So from here you can get this. This is primary to anions. So we can say it is also a selective ion electrode, right? Because this is part of ion selective electrode. So this is selective for only for anions. And classification is of three types. What are the three categories of it? Because I have told you that we will discuss three types of it. So these are category of solid state electrode. First one is precipitate electrode, or you can say iodide in selective electrode. Next one is crystal membrane electrode or horoid ion electrode. Third one is press plate electrode, right? So what is precipitate electrode? First one we will discuss about it, then we will discuss crystal membrane electrode, and then press plate electrode. From name you can get that it will discuss about precipitate. So we can get this that there will be formation of precipitate, and what kind of formation and what kind of precipitate will be produced here. PPT or iodide ion selective electrode can be formed when silver iodide is taken with silicon rubber. Silver iodide is used to seal the lower end of glass tube, which is partially filled up with 0.1 molarity potassium iodide solution. Then a silver wire is dipped into potassium iodide solution, that is silver iodide particles in membrane will exchange equilibrium with solution. This is about precipitate electrode, right? That we use potassium iodide and silver iodide particles, right? Next one is crystal membrane electrode, which is also called as fluoride ion electrode. This is diagram of it, that there is a silver chloride reference electrode. This is our filling solution, and this is reference electrode, and this is our synthetic single crystal membrane which is at the bottom, just like solid state electrode first one, right? Now it is also called fluoride ion electrode. Why it is called fluoride ion electrode? Fluoride ion electrode was first electrode that is used in ion selective electrode. Fluoride ion found in wastewater, soils, seawater, toothpaste, bone minerals, etc. All of you know about that. It is also found in wastewater and soils, right? So the usefulness of this electrode is limited by hydroxide ion interference. So this is the main purpose of it. That where is it used? Its usefulness is limited by hydroxide ion interference, right? So next one is press plate electrode. What is press plate electrode? From here we can say it is a plate type, yeah, you can say pellet type electrode which will work as a sensor. So press plate electrode is based on fluoride electrode and on silver sulfide. It is mainly used to membrane the activity of silver ion and sulfide ion. So it depends upon two ions. First one is silver ion, second one is sulfide ion. So it is made up of silver sulfide. The activity of silver sulfide can be explained by the mechanism of solubility produce equilibrium. So how will we give the equation or equilibrium condition? This is here. Silver sulfide will give you silver ions and sulfide ions. So this is our equilibrium state, right? The dynamic working range of this electrode is of order 10 to the power minus 8. So this is its working range, which is important. Here is a diagram of press plate electrode. It is reference electrode, it is internal electrode solution, and it is our press plate sensor, which will behave as a sensor, right? So this is our solid state electrode and its parts. First one was our precipitate electron, second one was crystal membrane electron, and third one is press plate electron. The next part of ion selective electrode is the next one of electrode, which is liquid membrane electrode. So what is about liquid membrane electrode? Let's discuss about it. Firstly, we will discuss its construction and then working. Liquid membrane electrode. Construction is that a liquid membrane ion exchange electrode consists of two concentric cylindrical tubal plastic material. The inner cylindrical tube contains internal reference electrode. An outer tube contains a charge or neutral solvent, right, which will possess ion exchange organic liquid. In it, there is a formation of thin organic membrane phase, which separate two aqueous solution. All of this you can understand by this diagram. Here is a internal reference electrode in middle, right? These are two chambers which consist solution form. So this is our inner fluorocarbon electrode body. This is our inner cylindrical tubal. This is outer cylindrical tube, and this is charge or neutral organic solvent, which we have discussed in this, right? You can say two aqueous solution. These are aqueous solution, and this one is behave as a bridging, which is a liquid membrane, right? You can say organic membrane. The activity and sensor of this electrode can be determined by using the ion exchange. Generally, liquid membrane are more sensitive than solid state membrane. So, we can say liquid membranes are more useful than solid state membrane. Liquid membrane are more sensitive than solid state membrane electrode due to their solution environment, right? Because they work in solution form. So liquid membrane electrode is a type of ion selective electrode based on water miscible liquid substances produced in polymeric membrane. After this, it is used for direct potentiometry measurement. It also responsive for direct measurement of several polyvalent cations, just like calcium 2 positive, right? Calcium gives us 2 positive cations. You can get this by its valency. The polymeric membrane made PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. It is used to separate the test solution from the inner compartment. In it, liquid ion exchanger is insoluble in solvent in which the electrode is to be used. This ion exchanger dissolves in relatively high melting volt solvent. Liquid ion exchanger consists of polar ionic sites. The ionic sites are negatively in cation exchanger and positive in anion exchanger, right? You can get this, that negative in cation exchanger and work behave as positive in anion exchanger. So you can say it is polar ionic because it is giving us two poles, cation and anion form, right? Negative and positive form. By applying chemical treatment, it makes the membrane hydrophobic. The membrane is in physical contact with liquid ion exchanger and thus permeable to it. Since the membrane is hydrophobic, water from the internal reference solution is prevented from mixing the liquid ion exchanger. Right? The ion conductivity of membrane result from mobility of ions within the membrane, and the potential across the membrane is related to ion conductivity. Right? I hope you get this video. In this video we have discussed about two type of electrode. First one is our solid state electrode, second one is our liquid membrane electrode. Ion selective electrode consists of four type of electrode. So our fourth one will discuss in next video, and then we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ion selective electrode. If someone have any kind of doubt in this video, then you can comment me. If you like this video, then please like this, share and subscribe and press the bell icon if you have not pressed, because for further notification it will help you. Thank you guys.